Good day, I'm Carleen Brown-Thompson and this is your JIS News for November 5. Government is in the process of rolling out a local economic development LED program in each parish. Local government and Community Development Minister Noel Arscott made the announcement at the recent Social Development Commission SDC's Parish Forum in Clarendon. He said the LED program would seek to identify and develop business initiatives and opportunities with special emphasis to be placed on micro, small and medium-sized enterprises,
as well as community-based economic enterprises to help them to get started to grow and thereby create jobs and more income.
Minister Arscott also announced that the bill to entrench local government in the Constitution would be tabled in Parliament this financial year. Transport Works and Housing Minister Dr. Omar Davies is calling for more work to be done that will allow for greater earnings from the cruise shipping industry.
I would like to urge an analysis of what are the possibilities which could both lead to an expansion of the tourism sector, even whilst further linking it with the overall economy.
Dr. Davies was speaking at the recent launch of research findings published in a book by Executive Director of the Caribbean Maritime Institute, Dr. Fritz Pinnock. The country must pay attention to efficiencies in the provision of public utilities if it is to successfully achieve its development goals. That's the word from Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller on the occasion of the 15th anniversary of the establishment of the Office of Utilities Regulation, OUR. In a message delivered by Minister of Water, Land Environment and Climate Change Robert Pickersgill, Mrs. Simpson Miller pointed out that since its inception, the OUR has ensured major investments in service improvement in the electricity, telecommunications, water, sewage and transportation sectors.
Investments in the electricity sector, whilst less spectacular than the telecommunications sector, amounted to some $354 million between 2005 and 2010, with another $450 million or more to be shortly invested in the 360 megawatt capacity implementation, which is due to begin next year.
Mr. Pickersgill was speaking at a two-day international forum organized by the OUR under the theme Regulation as a Catalyst for National Development. Hundreds of young people are to benefit from training and job opportunities over the next 4 months. That's the word from Youth and Culture Minister Lisa Hanna. The minister says these prospects will be facilitated under the National Youth Service and the National Center for Youth Development, NCYD.
We have trained and will continue to train over 800 people and place them in job opportunities over the course of the next 3 to 4 months. So you might not get the job opportunity right away in Youth Month, but you'll get some training. If you don't get the training, you can attend a rap session that will make you meet people who can put you in the right position.
Minister Hanna was addressing the recent launch of November as Youth Month under the theme Youth on a Mission. The 2012 celebration is recognized as part of the Jamaica 50 celebrations and will seek to promote the participation of youth as architects in national development. The minister said over the period, 150 young people would be provided with job opportunities, while the NCYD would facilitate entrepreneurship training for close to 500 persons and give them grants to start their own businesses. And finally, Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller has presented $3.2 million to 37 students to help further their education. Speaking at the presentation ceremony recently, the Prime Minister said the students were selected from a variety of disciplines, such as dentistry, law and teaching.
When you become that doctor, lawyer, architect or engineer or nurse or teacher, never forget your parents and the community in which you were raised.
The students are from the Southwest St. Andrew constituency and attend different institutions in the country. Funding for the scholarships comes from the Constituency Development Fund. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Carleen Brown-Thompson. Thanks for watching.